Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Let us continue our chapter, Getting to Know Plants. In the previous class, we studied about transpiration process and photosynthesis. Water vapor comes out of leaves through this process. Which process? Transpiration. And leaves prepared their food in the presence of sunlight and a green substance present in that, and with the help of carbon dioxide and water present in air. That process is called photosynthesis. Already we studied both these things, and some matters discussed about root. Without root, a plant cannot survive. So, next we are going to do another activity. That activity 7. For doing that, we need seeds of gram and maize, cotton wool, katori and some water. Take 2 katoris. Place some wet cotton wool in them. Put 3 or 4 seeds of gram in one and maize in the other. Keep the cotton wet by sprinkling water every day until the sprouts have grown into young plants. After a week, try to separate the young plants from the cotton wool. Was it easy to separate the cotton wool from the roots? Why? In activity 6, we could not easily pull out the plants from the soil, right? We dug them out. The roots help in holding the plant firmly in the soil. That is the point. And a wet cotton ആയിരിക്കണം. അതിനകത്തോട്ട് എന്ത് പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുക? കുറച്ച് ഗ്രാം പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി എന്താണ്? ഒരു 1 വീക്ക് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ അത് ജനറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. സീഡ് ജനറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് സംഭവിക്കുന്നത്? അതിനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ കോട്ടണിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കാം. റൂട്ട് അങ്ങനെ ഫേംലി ഫിക്സ് അല്ല. അതേസമയം സോയിലാണെങ്കിലോ റൂട്ട് ഫേംലി ഫിക്സ് ആണ്. നമുക്കത് ഡിഗ് ചെയ്ത് എടുക്കേണ്ടതായിട്ട് വരും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദ റൂട്ട്സ് ഹെൽപ്പ് ഇൻ holding the plant firmly in soil. They are said to anchor the plant to the soil. Anchor എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ റൂട്ട്സിനെ സോയിലിലേക്ക് ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുന്നതിന് ഒരു പ്രോസസ്സാണ്. അതിനെയാണ് ആങ്കർ ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറയുക. റൂട്ട്സിനെ സോയിലിലേക്ക് ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുക, അതാണ് ആങ്കർ. സോ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വി ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു ഡിസ്കസ് അബൌട്ട് root. Mainly 2 types of roots are there. First one, there tap root and fibrous root. Okay, small roots are called lateral roots. Tap root, okay, the main root is called a tap root. Okay, these small roots are called lateral roots. Okay, the main root are called tap root. The small roots are called lateral roots. In your textbook 17.17, A, the main root, and the smaller roots are called lateral roots. And in the case of second, fibrous root, there is no main root, only small roots are present. That is called a fibrous root, 17.7b. Only small roots are present. This is fibrous root. This is stab root. Okay. Fibrous. Only small roots are present. There is no main root. That is the speciality. Okay. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, and the stem conducts these to leaves and other parts of the plant. The leaves prepare food. The food travels through the stem and different parts of the plant and stored in different parts of the plant. We eat some of the food item as root, like carrot, sweet potato, turnip, tapioca, etc. Okay. All these are important points related to root. Next, we are going to discuss about flower. Look at the prominent part of the open flower. These are called petals. Prominent part of the open flower is called petals. Do you see another part? A small leaf-like structure present in flower? Yes, that is called sepals. The small leaf-like structure present in flower is called sepals. Remove the sepals and petals of a flower. See the rest of the parts. Study figure 7.2 and identify the stamen and pistil of flower. The male reproductive part of a flower is called a stamen, and female reproductive part is called a pistil. Okay, stamen and pistil. Innermost part of a flower is called a pistil. Next, ovary. Ovary. It is the lowermost and swollen part of the pistil. Ovary is the lowermost and swollen part of the pistil. Okay. Next, ovules. Ovules means a bead-like structure present in the ovary. Okay. Ovules are bead-like structure present in ovary. Okay. All these are the important part of the flower, and function of the flower will study in higher class. Okay, so most important prominent part of an open flower, petals, and a leaf-like structure present in flower, that is sepals, and stamen, male reproductive part, and pistil, female reproductive part. Ovary, it is the lowermost and swollen part of the pistil. Ovule is a bead-like structure present in the ovary. Okay, all these are the important points. The number of sepals, petals, stamens and pistils may also differ in different flowers. Sometimes some of these parts may even be absent. We have studied some features and functions of leaves, stems and roots. We studied the structure of different flowers. Okay, so all these are the important points. Okay, so you read the text nicely. understand more concept. Okay. Thank you.